One of the things that you'll need to do as you're closing out the semester and your class is drop the lowest grade for each category per semester. So if you have a 1-semester class, you'll need to do this at the end of the class. If you have a 2-semester class, you'll actually need to do this both semesters. So you'll need to do this twice. The default sort, the way that the gradebook is laid out, is for the due date to be the latest or the last. So whatever has been the most recent, you're going to see first, and then it's going to get older from there, and the categories are mixed up in there. So it's irrelevant of category. We want to actually group it by category so that we have all of the things in the same category together. So you'll want to choose due date latest first, and then under the category heading so that all of those will be in the same place. Then you can scroll through and look at each student, pick the one that's the lowest, and I'm actually going to scroll pretty far over so we can see how categories are. So the categories are noted, are very easy to tell because they're color coded. So this category is green, this category is blue, so you would pick the lowest one from each of the color-coded categories. So once you have selected the lowest one, whichever one that might be, then you would click on it and you would change that to EX, which is exempt, which is what the special notation that we use to signify that this grade doesn't matter, to ignore it. And that's how you can drop it. You'll need to do that for each student in each class, and this probably is the most time consuming thing because you have to make sure that you get it for each category for each student, and there's not really an automated way to do it. You just have to kind of work through it manually to find those and drop those lowest grades.